Can police force you to answer every question? Or do you have any right to remain silent? Most people don't know the correct law, and that can be dangerous. Before we begin, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Love Awareness India 9 for more legal awareness. In this video, I will explain your rights during police questioning using Section 180 BNSS checkmark Article 23 of the Constitution checkmark relevant provisions of BNS so that you clearly understand when you must answer and when you can refuse. Part 1. Power of police under Section 180 BNSS. A police officer investigating a case can examine any person who is acquainted with the facts and circumstances of that case. This means, you can be called for questioning. You are legally required to cooperate. Part 2. Section 180(2) Duty plus limit. Section 180(2) clearly states, a person is bound to answer truthfully all questions, but there is a very important exception. You are not bound to answer any question if your answer may expose you to a criminal charge or penalty or forfeiture. Part 3. Constitutional protection. This protection comes from Article 23 of the Constitution of India. No person accused of an offence can be compelled to be a witness against himself, meaning in simple words, police can ask questions but cannot force you to confess or incriminate yourself. Part 4. Section 180(3) Recording of statement under Section 183. Police may record your statement in writing. They may make a separate and true record of each person. Important points. It can be recorded using audio, video, electronic means. Part 5. Proviso, special protection for women, in cases relating to offences under Sections 64 to 71, 74 to 79 and 124 of BNS, 2023. Statement of a woman must be recorded by a woman police officer or any woman officer. This ensures safety and dignity of women. Part 6. What if you refuse or give false info? Law also imposes responsibility. If a person legally bound to answer all questions truly refuses to answer, right pointing arrow shall be punishable. If such person gives false answer, right pointing arrow punishable. These are now covered under Section 214 and 212 of BNS. Earlier IPC sections 179 and 177. Important balance. So law creates a balance. You must cooperate with police, but you cannot be forced to incriminate yourself. Part 7. Important case law. Nandini Satpathy vs. PL Dani, 1978. It is a landmark Supreme Court of India judgment strengthening the right against self-incrimination. It ruled that the protection under Article 23 of the Constitution extends to police interrogations, not just in court, and that suspects have the right to silence under Section 161(2) of the CRPC, Section 180 BNSS. Full concept, revision. Part. Understand this flow. Police examine right pointing arrow. Section 180 BNSS duty to answer with exception right pointing arrow. Section 182 protection right pointing arrow. Article 23 recording right pointing arrow. Section 183 special protection right pointing arrow. Proviso. Conclusion. Always remember, you must answer truthfully, but you have the right to remain silent when necessary. Knowing this difference can protect your rights. Ending. Tell me in the comments, should police have more powers or more restrictions? Know your rights. Subscribe to @Love Awareness India 9 for more legal awareness.